Hello and welcome to this little video tutorial on how to remove a security plugin from your Android phone. Now, right before we get into it, just the usual pleasantries. If you could like this video and subscribe to the channel, that would be absolutely fantastic. I would love you forever, because not only does it help support the channel, help us make more stuff like this, it also means that you can stay on top of if we make more stuff like this, more stuff that might be useful for you. Now, let's get right into it. It's a pretty simple process to do. So if you open up settings to begin with, you're going to be right on this main settings page here, and you're going to want to scroll down to the section labeled apps. Open that up. Then open up See All Apps. And you're going to want to search for the app that you want to remove that's related to your security plugin. Now, this is ordinarily going to be something like Easy Buy, probably for you. I don't have that or anything like that installed, as you can see, but just as an example, what you're going to want to do is find that and uninstall it. So I've got this little dummy app here called a Useless app, which I got off the Play Store to uninstall. And if you just open that up, so for me, Useless app, for you would be something like Easy Buy, you're going to want to just hit uninstall, which is right in the middle here, and hit OK. Now there's one more step after this. So if your app has like a security plugin, a device admin thing that you need to remove, you're going to want to head all the way back out to the main page of settings again. And this time we are going to scroll down to the section security and privacy. Open that. And then scroll down again to the very bottom under other settings, more security and privacy, because we need more. So open that. Now we're going to scroll down again, lots of scrolling down in this one, to under security, the tab device admin apps. Now, I don't actually have the, again, Easy Buy or whatever it would be, but the process would be the same for this Find My Device admin app that I have here. So if you open that, then you're going to want to click on, just quite simply, deactivate this device admin app. And then when you do that, it will deactivate it. And now you should be done. That security plugin should be removed. So thank you very much, and I hope that was helpful.